And I'm Natasha Paloma. All this rain we've been having is actually helping fireworks sales. KTSM 9 News reporter Stephanie Shields is here in the studio. She tells us what fireworks stand owners have to say.
Well, before this week, El Paso was at risk of a firework ban because of how dry we were, according to the drought index. But just in time, the recent storms essentially gave the green light for you to pop some fireworks this weekend. It's not the 4th of July without some fireworks.
We do cookouts with our family, and then we go like outside where we're able to pop fireworks.
El Pasoans making last-minute firework purchases now that it's clear the county will allow fireworks this summer.
The weather is perfect. You know, in the past we haven't been able to pop fireworks because it's been so dry.
Fireworks stand owners praising Mother Nature as they say recent rainfall is boosting sales.
It's been pretty good. They've been, with this weather, it's helped a lot to keep consistently selling.
El Paso County deciding the drought conditions improved with recent weather, therefore allowing families to pop their fireworks.
Looking at how the weather's going to be, the drought index, that's what we look for when we wake up.
After several days of rainfall, El Paso's drought index is 544, dropping from 715. The drought index determines fire potential, and the threshold to ban fireworks begins at 575.
With all this rain that we've been getting, obviously that has improved over the last week.
The National Weather Service El Paso saying rain is helpful, but may be dangerous to pop fireworks if there's too much.
I guess really the main concern with what we'd be expecting this Sunday would be if there's thunderstorms around and lightning, obviously.
But rain or shine, El Pasoans are ready to celebrate.
I don't think it's going to rain like the whole day, so there's, hopefully at night there's, different times where we're able to pop them, and so I think we'll be good.
Well, despite the rain, 2 types of fireworks are still under a sales ban. The sticks and fins fireworks were banned by El Paso County Commissioner's Court in late May, but all other types are allowed. We have that information on our website, ktsm.com. Stephanie Shields.